Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for this episode of the Crochet Basics series, we will be learning how to single crochet. For this tutorial, we will be using a 4mm hook and a weight for yarn. First, we'll be starting off with a chain. To learn how to chain, check out my first video in this series on how to chain, linked above. After your chain is created, we're going to start single crocheting. To begin single crocheting, skip the first loop on your chain. This acts as your chain 1. Begin to pull through the second loop. Yarning over. And pulling through both loops on your hook. Now you have your first single crochet. Let's practice again. Pull through, yarn over, pull through again. Make sure you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Now you completed your second single crochet. Here is how your first row should look like. To continue to the second row, begin chaining 1. Yarn over and pulling through the first loop. Now you have your first chain. Turn your work and begin single crocheting in the stitch next to the chain 1. Continue to pull through, yarning over, pulling through again, having 2 loops on your hook, yarning over, and pulling through both loops. Now you finished your single crochet on the second row. One more time. And we're done! This is how your single crochet should look like. Chaining 1 keeps the stitches clean and neat and helps with even spacing. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for my last video in this Crochet Basics series. Make sure to subscribe down below to be notified of my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!